Well, hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing not a review, I would say more a setup and first impressions of the Macpac flat fold table. So I bought this on the way back from Victoria in the Launceston Macpac shop, and I bought it on first sight after I saw the bloke set it up in the actual shop. Usually I don't do things like that, I usually do a lot more research on it, but I was so impressed by it, I bought it because I have had this table here for quite some time, about 12 months, and it folds out like that, and then you screw those legs in there, and then this little thing here screws out. So it is not bad on uneven ground, but it has to be pretty level ground, because once it gets to a certain spot of being unlevel, it just won't work. Whereas this one here, when I saw it set up in the shop and how you can adjust these legs, I was very impressed. So it will hold 30 kilos. It's 900 long by 510 millimeters wide, and the ease of setup is just amazing. So it's probably going to take me 30 seconds to a minute to set it up. You could probably get it even quicker with that, with more setup. So, and this is how quick it is to set up. So you just pull it out like that, lock them two things in there. Then you've got these two ones here that have got a round hole in them, and they go on there like that, pull across. And there it is, it's set up. Now, the bit that I liked about it was the fact that you undo these little orange things here, and then you lift it up and they all should slide down. There we go. Lock them in position with the little orange tab, and there we go. Look at that. Well, it's not locked down, but there, that is good and solid. I've had one of these tables like this before, a small version, and the other part that I didn't like about that one, the part that I didn't like about that table, was it had a piece of elastic going through here that held these slats together, and over time the elastic stretched and it became very sloppy, and it used to just sit inside the frame, and it was a lot more complex than this. This is actually screwed together with little hinges and screws, so if you wanted to, you could probably replace them if they break. But the bit that I like, the best part about it, is if you run uneven ground, and there you go, like that, you just got to pop that one down, and there we go. Really impressed with this. It'll be interesting to see how it holds up over time. And I will do probably a long-term review on it, say after about 12 months, and see how it's holding up and see how it's going. And I'm going away camping next week, so I'll actually set it up out there and we'll see how we go on the uneven country. So if you want to buy one of these on the Macpac shop, I'm sure that there is other versions of them that are in similar things, but this leg design is what I'm liking the most about it. So anyway, that's all for this video. Stay tuned in the next couple of weeks. I'm actually going to do a multiple long gear review on some of the products that I've done reviews on, and I'm going to tell you about whether I still use them, if I don't, why I'm not using them, and any dislikes and likes that I do really like about it. So if you like this channel, consider subscribing to it, and I'll see you in the next one.